Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes lost some steam after the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq's record closing highs in the prior session, as investors paused at the start of a week packed with key jobs data and Fed Chair Jerome Powell's congressional testimony. Bitcoin hit a $67,500 high and is rapidly approaching silver's $1.35 trillion market capitalization. Ether topped $3,600 for the first time since January 2022, amid strong institutional demand. Japanese automaker Toyota will announce a $2.2 billion investment for the next few years in Brazil, the South American country's vice president said. He added the investments are expected to create 2,000 jobs and launch new models.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Italy's gross domestic product will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's current account balance at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index at 1000 hours GMT. The US factory orders at 1500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.